Look, welcome to Terry's Tips, guys. Get a notebook, get a pen, because today we're going to talk about business credit and real estate. Specifically, 5 ways you can use business credit to invest in real estate. Now, pause. Who should watch this video? If you're a brand new investor, you should watch. If you are a seasoned investor, you should watch. If you have some business credit and you're unsure what to do with it, you should watch. If you're somebody who is looking to add additional stream of income, become a full-time investor, become a part-time investor, everybody should be watching this video, guys. And let me just say, Nugget right here, this is just literally the tip of the iceberg. I am trying to educate you, have you start thinking outside the box, and there is something in here for everybody, meaning I'm literally picked examples. If you just started building business credit, ways this can help you invest in real estate, or if you're a great big seasoned investor. Now, why am I doing this video? So many of you guys have resources like right now, somebody say right now, to actually help you get started, but you think if you don't have a $100,000 business line of credit that you can't invest in real estate. So we're going to break down those barriers, okay? Get a notebook, get a pen. And for all my newbies, welcome. Guys, this channel is about wealth building. I upload brand new videos every Tuesday and Thursday, and I'll do my nugget at the end, guys. So first, business credit. You guys are overcomplicating it. All business credit is, right, and there's multiple kinds, is credit that's in your EIN, that's in your business's name with your business EIN. That means it does not report to personal credit. Now, pause, okay? Nuggets of the entire video. They may still look at the business owner's credit to qualify you for some of the financing, depending on what it is, but true business credit does not go on the business owner's personal credit reports. There's only a couple of instances where a couple of credit cards may still report to personal, or if you default, sometimes they can report to personal. Got it good? Now, nugget right here, right? A business owner literally just means that you're incorporated. So guys, you want to have like an LLC, an S Corp, a C Corp. I'll be honest with you and say, depending on the type of credit, depending on the lender, depending on what you're trying to do, some will still fund the sole proprietor and some will not. They will not fund a DBA. DBA is not having an incorporated business. I'm your friend. I'm just telling you the truth. Would you rather me tell you the truth or lie to you? So action item, if you are a business owner and you have not incorporated, do that ASAP, okay? You can even try and see if you get the same name, because that may be still possible, but make sure you incorporate, because your goal is to start here, but then to grow and grow and grow, where then eventually you do have that $100,000, $200,000, $500,000 line of credit that you can use. Millions of dollars, to be honest with you, okay? So you need to be a legal, legitimate business, but you do not need to be a full-time business owner. You don't need to be a full-time entrepreneur. You don't have to have, a corporate office and 20 employees. Just having incorporation and the business name and the business EIN qualifies you as a business. Got it good, guys? All right, so way number 1, let's talk about hard money loans. So guys, in real estate, if you are somebody who wants to flip a property, right? So flipping a property means you're buying a property, it's like a shell, it's not in livable condition, you're doing renovations, and then you are selling the property for a profit, okay? Quick, okay? So a hard money loan, guys, you're only going to keep it like 6 to 13 months max. So you're buying a property, renovating it, and selling it in 6 to 13 months, or buying a property, renovating it, and then if you decide you want to be a buy and hold or you want to keep it, you need to make sure that your personal credit and business credit is in order so you can refinance out of the hard money loan. Nugget, you are only ever keeping a hard money loan for 6 to 13 months. Now, a hard money loan is not technically, they're not technically looking at a whole bunch of personal credit or business, to be honest with you. They're looking more at the project. However, the reason why this is on my list of ways to leverage business credit is because the majority of hard money lenders and alternative lenders will only lend to a business entity. That means me, Terry Collins, with my social, a hard money lender is not going to give me, $300,000 for a investment property in my name and my social. A lot of them only lend to a business. So you need to have your LLC or S Corp or whatever it is so you can actually get a hard money loan to flip a property. Did y'all hear me? So if you're somebody who is thinking about getting into real estate, maybe it's 3 years, 5 years, 10 years in the line, I don't care. Incorporate now, because you don't want to have an opportunity, come on somebody, and not be able to take advantage of it because you're not a business entity. So a hard money loan. Now, nugget right here, guys. Hard money loans, they're high interest, a lot of fees, a lot of money down. You're looking at least 40% down, guys, okay? Just by definition, an investor means you have liquid capital to invest. However, it still makes sense for us investors when the numbers work. 70% rule. Shout out to all my Make Real Estate Real people. Meaning we will take a loan that is high interest, high fees, a lot of money down because we're only keeping it 6 to 13 months. Got it, good guys. So way number one is a hard money loan. Now, way number two, guys, we're going to go all the way to the other end of the spectrum, is using business credit cards. Yes, y'all, that is actually a way you can get into real estate and it can help you invest in real estate. So let me give you an example. And actually, shout out to, God, I forget his last name, Jim. We were just talking in Make Real Estate Real group. Was it yesterday and today? And he was like, Terry, thank you so much for helping me with getting some business credit. He said, I got 5 business credit cards and that helped me fund my project while I was waiting for the draws from the lender. Come on, somebody. Nugget. Business credit and personal credit, to be honest with you. You'd rather have it and not need it than need it and not have it, right? So business credit cards, let me give you an example. Let's take the 5 business credit cards. Business credit cards can be anywhere between $3,000, $5,000 up to $20,000, $30,000. $50,000. Let's say you just had 5 business credit cards and they're $10,000 each. That's now $50,000 you have that you can use for your real estate investing. Now, Nugget, a lot of business credit cards are also 0. Come on, somebody. 0% interest for 6 to 18 months. How long are you keeping a hard money loan? 6 to 13 months, right? And mind you, not even for a flip. If it's for a buy and hold, if it's for renovations. So business credit cards, get them, higher amounts, 0% interest a lot of times, does not report to personal. So you're not going to be, when you use it, you're not going to have your scores like personal scores tanked because of utilization. And with a business credit card, how can you use them? Just giving you examples, guys, because there's a million trillion. I'm giving you guys 5, okay? So this is where with business credit cards, you can pay contractors, you can get fixtures, you can buy your permits, you can, use it for your work truck that goes around and look at properties. You can use it for lumber, you can use it for supplies. You can use it for marketing and advertising. You can use it for project to pay your project manager. Come on, somebody. So business credit cards is a way that can help you leverage using your business and your EIN to invest as opposed to using your whole paycheck, all your money in the bank, all of your savings account, all your 401k. Guys, keep your own money, and the way to leverage is to use your business credit to help you with that heavy lifting, help you build your empire. Now, Nugget right here, pause. Depending on when you're watching this video, guys, I am having 2 live Zoom trainings. The one on January 18th is how to build business credit in 30 days. It is very limited because I don't like it to get too big because I do a live Q&A. I'll put the link in the description. Live Zoom training with me. Super small investment, okay, for 2 hours, and that's January 18th. January 25th is going to be how to increase your personal credit scores fast, super fast. So the 18th is business credit training Zoom, and the 25th of January is for personal scores, guys. And so I'll put the link in the description if you want to be trained by me directly. All right, guys, so business credit cards. Now, way number 3, okay, example number 3, guys, is actually using like your retail cards, your business retail cards. Now, guys, some of y'all, a lot of y'all have this right now. This can be your tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3 cards. Tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. So let me give you an example. Another one of my investors, a matter of fact, shout out to April, okay? This actually helped her with an investment property. What was that? Probably like last year, I think it was, where she needed to use some of her retail cards. So a business retail card, that can be Home Depot, that can be Lowe's, that can be Best Buy. You guys get the drift. That could be Walmart, like this. It could be Target. So say you're somebody who is doing Airbnb. Well, you guys can get business credit card, business retail cards are only tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3, depending on which card it is. And you can use it to furnish the property. You can use that to get furniture, fixtures. You can use that for appliances. I remember when April had a situation, she was able to use her business credit Home Depot card to pay for a bunch of cabinets. That way, you didn't have to come out of her own pocket, and that helps save the project. Guys, appliances, paint, all those things can cost thousands of dollars. Would you rather put it on your business retail card or your business credit card instead of using thousands of your own paycheck? Come on, somebody. There's levels to this. A lot of times investors and business owners go out of business because of lack of capital. Guys, a lot of these tier 1 and tier 2 accounts I can get you in 30 days. I'll see you on the Zoom, okay? So tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 accounts, retail cards. Some of you guys have this right now. You're not thinking outside the box. Use it for appliances, for fixtures, for windows, for paint, all of those things, okay? And I'm even going to say right here, I think I put that in that step. I'm going to go to just using tier 1 for way number 4. Now, why am I doing this? All of you guys complain, well, not you, not my wealth warriors, okay, about, like Granger and Uline and Quill. Guys, I used my Granger account, my tier 1 Granger account that literally you can incorporate, 2 weeks ago and get Granger, Uline, Quill, what is it, like Sumo Office Supplies, Crown Supplies, some of these places that are like you can get right away as a business owner, build business credit, does not report to the personal, does not check personal. You can have a 500 credit score and get these accounts, guys. And what did I use my Granger account, guys, for? One of my properties had gotten flooded, right? And there was a whole bunch of like water and stuff in the basement. I was able to use my tier 1 Granger account and get a sump pump. I got a humidifier. I got contractor bags when I need to clear it out. Come on, somebody. You guys, if you are a real estate investor, you're looking at using all of your resources. So when you're looking at these tier 1 and tier 2 accounts, you're like, well, it's not a $100,000 business line of credit. Okay. But when you want to go demo a property, when you need janitorial supplies, when you need stuff like sump pumps, air vacs, regular vacuums, commercial grade vacuums, depending, maybe you have an office building. Like, guys, I want you to think outside the box. And so I use it for my humidifier. I use it for my sump pump, and I use it for all the cleaning supplies to clean out the basement when the team had came over there, okay? So using your tier 1 accounts can help you invest in real estate because now you're using all of your own liquid capital for what? Your down payment, for maybe paying other contractors, using it to buy more properties, and you're letting your business credit. Come on, somebody. Helping somebody, right? Helping you get some ideas. It's helping you leverage your business credit and give you more time and more leverage so you can use your own liquid capital. I'm tongue-tied today. I'm sorry, guys. Use your own liquid capital for other things and even more properties, guys. And the last way number 5, guys, I'm going to do this is just examples, okay, is using a business line of credit, a business term loan, or a business micro loan. Now, a business micro loan is like anywhere is up to $50,000. So $50,000 and under. A line of credit, which is what you all want, right? And some of you guys can get a business line of credit. It can go be $5,000, $10,000, $20,000, up to $200,000, $300,000, $500,000. Guys, with a line of credit, with a micro loan, with a business term loan. So business term loans, guys, are usually like 6 months, 12 months, 18 months, or 24 months to pay back. And they can be, same thing, $10,000, $20,000, $50,000, $80,000, depends on what you actually qualify for, how good your personal and business credit is. Guys, sometimes you guys can get tax evasions, sheriff sales. You guys can do subject to owner financing. There's a whole other videos, okay, because I've been real estate investing since before the crash, since 2004. So you guys can, with a $50,000 line of credit or a $50,000 term loan, sometimes you can get a sheriff sale, get a pre-foreclosure. Well, that's owner financing. Get a subject to property. You can do a cash offer, right? If you're an investor, you need access to liquid money really fast to do a cash offer, guys. Getting a micro loan, getting a term loan can help. You just need to make sure you have the money to actually pay it back, but you're not using all of your liquid capital. And same thing, guys. Same thing is like the business credit cards, right? You can use it for renovations, use it for, waterproofing, use it to pay your contractors, use it for your architect, your project manager, use it for maybe you want to stage a property, maybe you want to do interior design, maybe you have an event space. Guys, think outside the box. Okay, so let's recap. Business credit is just credit in your EIN name, in your business's name. I talked to you about, using, lines of credit, about using tier 1 accounts, about using credit cards, about using hard money loans, about using retail cards. Guys, there's a million different ways that you can use business credit to help you launch, relaunch, and scale not only your real estate business, to be honest with you, but anything that it is that you want to do. Got it, good, guys. I hope that helped, guys. And for my nugget, somebody's gonna get mad at me. That's okay, because I need you to hear this. You do have the time. You do have the time. Stop coming to me and saying, Terry, I want to pay you to do my credit because I don't have the time. Make the time. We're all busy, but guess what? Personal and business credit is way too important for you guys to not learn it and just pass it off to somebody else. What is it you're spending your time on? Is it about to bring you a six-figure return? Because if it's not about to bring you a six-figure return, I'm going to spend my time building and repairing my personal and business credit, because that is going to give me a 6 and 7-figure return. That's going to give me net worth. That's going to give me legacy. That's going to give me inheritance. And I'm going to turn off the TV. I'm not going to go to the happy hour. I'm going to spend this extra time cutting out this extra thing I want to do so I can learn personal and business credit inside and out, guys. And higher level Nugget, how do you expect to be a multi-millionaire, multi-billionaire, a boss business owner, and you don't understand personal and business credit? I'm saying it with love. This is the year that we fire our credit repair specialists and we become financially literate and financially free on your own. Because as you grow and you have $1 million portfolios, you, the business owner, you need to understand your debt ratios, your credit, your trade lines, what lenders are looking for, utilization, all of those things to help you grow and scale. You do not want to be dependent on paying somebody for the rest of your life. That's hustling backwards. And over here, we're trying to build legacy and wealth. So my nugget to you is make the time. We're all busy, but it's too important. And stop trying to pay people to do it for you. Because if you really want to be a multi-million-dollar boss, then you're going to have to learn at some point how to do it on your own. Amen.